everyone, myself Kaushala Joshi, a third year physiotherapy student. So this vlog will be all about attending a conference, the journey behind it, the experience and much more things to watch. So watch this vlog till the end and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. He's arrived at our station. So guys, finally, yes. Morning coffee, that is first meal. So guys, she's my friend Shruti. Say hi. Hi. Chalo, let's go to the conference. So now we are just arrived at Scientifica and we have registered our names and took our IDs, and now we are visiting a mini stalls.
Hi guys, as per Kaushala told you that we are at Scientifica. These are the mini stalls we are going to visit, and now we are going to show you one by one. Let's visit.
We are creating a coil in an insulated manner where I can induce deep penetrating electromagnetic field and stimulate the body. So by doing this, what I can do, I'll be inducing the electromagnetic field into the body, and it will go deeper and depolarize the nerves which are very deeply placed, which is otherwise challenging to reach with whatever conventional methods we are using, or hands-on or manipulation techniques. It will be difficult. So it goes that deep and depolarize the nerves, and that will lead to signal transfer, repolarization, and the signals will go, and that will lead to contraction and relaxation in the muscles under the applicator. But at what quality and at what capacity the particular muscle contracts and relax, it will elicit various physical effects. If you look at it, we can use it for normal pain conditions like musculoskeletal disorders, degenerative arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, cervical issues, sports injuries, frozen shoulder, for muscle relaxation, for pain control. So many indications. And the patients who are having spinal disorders, acute and chronic lumbago, like that, normal musculoskeletal indications, what we treat in our regular practice, they can also be treated. Along with that, the best part is it comes with a chair. So what is the significance of this chair is I can make the patient sit on this, and the treatment will be for 20 to 30 minutes approximately, and it will induce approximately around 12,000 Kegels contractions, which is too good to reinforce the pelvic floor muscles, by which you can overcome incontinence, urinary incontinence, which is a perennial problem among women. It's there in men also, but the numbers are more in women. So far we don't have anything other than few invasive procedures or Kegels, where sometimes they may have to expose their private parts also. Even if it is a female therapist treating, also they might find it difficult.
Kegel exercise also, right?
Yeah, Kegel exercise is also there. And we have some biofeedback devices where we will make use of anal and vaginal probes and we will treat. So all those are invasive methods. But here, this is non-invasive. So the patient is not going to expose him or her. Nobody is going to touch them. Fully dressed, they'll come and sit on the chair and take the treatment for 20 to 30 minutes, where I can treat stress incontinence, urge incontinence, mixed incontinence, erectile dysfunction, sexual problems, pre and postpartum rehab, prostatectomy patients. So like that, so many indications I can treat. So now as therapists, what we can do is, rather than restricting ourselves only for pain management, we can also do a lot of things in other verticals also. The advent of this device. So that is called Salus Talent Pro from a brand.
Delegates and students. We now request our students to come forward for the welcome song.
भाषणात दोन उदाहरण देऊन सांगितलेलं आहे आणि त्यामुळे याच्यात या तंत्रज्ञानात या सगळ्या विषयात वाढ होणं आणि पेशंटला या पूर्ण बरा करण्यासाठी फिजिओथेरपीची तितकी आवश्यकता आहे हे सांगायची मला गरज वाटत नाही. गोव्यात धन्यवाद देऊन माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. भारत माता.
So he learns so many things from healthcare system and he is working on it. So he get all that he.
So this comes with the main application. It will connect directly with the Bluetooth. Yes. So ये जो टारगेट है आप उसका रेडियस भी बढ़ा सकते हो, लाइक उसको थोड़ा दूर भी रख सकते हो.
So today is the day 2 of the conference and we are heading towards the lecturer hall, that is auditorium hall. So see you there.
Side. And then while it just struck to me at that my performance lab team uses the FOSTEC.
How we diagnose, treat and rehabilitate patients.
And I would like to end my
Publications and
Hi. So finally we are done. We are done with our all events. We finally got our certificates also. It was all 2-day program.
So the main idea of making this vlog was to explain you what all the things happens during the conference. So Shruti, can you please explain what all the things happened during the day 1?
Yes. As the day 1 we had our quiz competition, reel competition, debate competition. Of course we were the participants also.
Yes.
And we had some mini stalls.
Visited the mini stalls.
And we also had added some clips before. And we had inauguration program. and lectures, normally lectures. And
We had a lunch. Main thing is lunch. Okay, so this was the end of the day 1. So as a day 2 of the conference, we had a paper presentation and lectures by UG, PG and PhD levels, and we got the prize distribution programs for students and also the upcoming guests. And we had a lunch again, and this was the end of the day 2 of the conference, and this was the end of this vlog.
And also the conference.
So like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello guys. Hi. So will you guys recommend other physiotherapy students to attend a conference? Yes or no? Be specific for that.
Yes, definitely. Everyone should attend the conference because it's a fabulous experience, and as AI is an upcoming future, so physiotherapy has to follow this.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, it was the best thing we learned here, and the experience was the best.
Okay.
Yes, modality experience was the best.
Okay.
So I would recommend all the UG students to attend as many as conference, because you get to learn so many things, new experiences. As we got new experience, we got to meet new doctors, speakers. So definitely I do attend the conference.
Okay.
And guys, the food?
Amazing!
So you all guys are come here for the food, right?
So finally we are going back. Always be the light things on you.